Juju in my group. Nathan is in my group. CJ. Love y'all. Say your names in the video. William.
CJ.
We're all in a group together. I can 125 grams of copper sulfate.
Let's go.
This is Juju. Take 2 of water into copper sulfate. 14 milliliters of water and 1.126 grams of copper sulfate. That nice, clear blue color.
I didn't see that, my bad.
So now we're going to add enough drops of ammonium, hopefully less than 5 milliliters, to make the solution turn here blue.
I thought we said
Transfer. Oh wait.
yeah, say, hold on.
And we're adding it to the volumetric flask. Now add 10 drops of ammonium.
Once we add it to the flask.
What are you doing? Until it turns into blue.
Fill it with water. Now we're going to fill it with distilled water all the way to the film mark.
Oh my god.
That is perfect. Oh my gosh, Brent. He absolutely nailed that. Now we're going to invert the cylinder, let it mix up. Well, flask. About 10 times further. Okay. Nope, I just had a beard, so you can continue with that as it is. Now Juju is going to pour the solution into the beaker to control
Well, this isn't
the stock.
No, they're not. Yeah.
Looks pretty clear.
In this portion of the video,
nothing's
that's
before
fine.
we see the meniscus.
Alright, now
Essentially, we read it off of the
what is going on here?
temperature
Can you explain that?
caused by the
Juju?
infusion of the liquid
We are
to the glass
pipetting
pipette.
12.5 milliliters into
And essentially, it is resembles a inverted parabola, and we just read it off the bottom or the trough of the curve. So for this part of the experiment, we take 12.5 milliliters from the initial copper solution and we add that to the volumetric flask and fill it up to 25 milliliters, adding water to get to that fill mark. And then we do the same thing again. We invert it 10 times in the volumetric flask to have it all mix up. We pour it back into the second beaker for dilution number 1. And then again, we take away half of that dilution that we just made. So about 6.25 milliliters of dilution number 1. We pour it back into the volumetric flask, invert it 10 times with the water to the fill mark, pour it back into its own beaker, and then one last time we measure out 3 milliliters of the copper diluted solution, and we fill it to the fill mark, invert it 10 times, and then we have our last dilution.